We are gathered here today to witness the death of the assassin, killer of so many Soviets that we have to hang him. And joining us today will be the president. But right now, I have a little something to say about this man. He has killed more Soviets than any man on the world. Today, January 8th, 2020, he'll be killed, and I thought I'd just put that in the little record book because I was happy. President, you better kill him.
Well. Mister! And this man is so greedy. He's killed my family, my hometown. Will he though? He beat my house. I hope you saw that, any of you. But he blew up my house. My guys were in there. He stole my car. Killed my good friend Bin Laden. Killed my great uncle Hitler. And he also killed my son Macron. That makes me mad. Makes me so mad. I'm gonna kill you. You know what, big boy? I'm gonna. Get him, guys! Get him now! I'm going to kill him when I get him. I think I'll make it. It'll be okay. No mag. You come here. You come here now. What, you want to lose again? Absolutely no chance that guy made it. I don't think I'll live. You still alive? That's right, you stupid soldier of an assassin. I killed you! Now it's war.